that much, because I've got the outside marked. It's about a heavy 16th, about 3/32 inside of that outside mark. So I can do a rough fit to that, and then it comes back about that far. And this thing is square on the back cut. It's angled on the front, but it's square on the back. So I should be able to square that mark all the way around. Problem is, these surfaces are not 90 degrees. That's going to be a little bit touchy trying to square off of a unsquare surface to start with. It'd be close, and it's probably close enough for what I'm doing right now. Since this is a square cut, I should be able to measure straight down from that. All the way around. That's actually not a square cut. From there to there, straight down, is that mark. And from here to here, straight down, is the same mark. That's real close. First little chip, I'm doing it to see which way the grain's going, just in case it's going the wrong way. This is going slightly that way. It's correct. I mean, it's tolerable for me. The other side now, it's not going to be correct, so I have to stay away from it a little bit because I know it's going to slant back. Okay, that's a start. And that will leave me a scuff mark where this is touching the wood I left. It'll leave a scuff mark to see where it's out of round. And I can work my way straight down from that scuff mark if I can get it off. This is a leather hammer. That's a great big screw in it. That's what it takes. little bitty threads. You do not want to cross thread it. I believe it grabbed it. And there you go. The thing about this is that barrel, these things are made to wrap around the barrel at the top. They come up the sides and they kind of hug it. So you have to put this on last. You can't just set the barrel in on top of it. It won't fit. See, it won't go down. You have to put your barrel in first and then slide that backward from the front back. I don't know if it's possible to slide the barrel in the back with it kicked up. I don't think so, and I'm not going to try it. But I know it'll fit on there. So now I'm going to start shaping the front half. Now that I know where it ends up here, and I know where it starts from back here, I can do my shaping. And I'm going to start with the top, this top surface.